afternoon. Sounds good. Myself Piyush, and I am the partner account manager with Kaspersky. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak for giving this opportunity to come face to face in front of lovely partners. Kaspersky as an organization, we are 2.5 decades old in the market. We have our presence in 6 continents across the globe. We are serving, we are safeguarding in more than 200 countries. The one thing which I want to discuss here about Global Transparency Initiative. Can you tell me what is the most valuable, what is the most critical asset for any of the cyber security organization? Any idea what is the most critical and valuable asset? Sorry? Data for critical for anyone, for cyber security organization. Okay. So answer is source code. The source code which we are developing. This is the most valuable thing which we have, cyber security organization. And just to enhance the trust and the transparency between the customer and Kaspersky, between the partner and Kaspersky, in 2017, we came up with new initiative which is called Global Transparency Initiative. If any of the CIO, any CISO, any partner has any doubt, any trust related concern respective to Kaspersky, we invite them, we call them to this transparency center. If they know the coding, they can play with all the source code which we are developing in our development center. If we talk about numbers, 15 million activation every year. This is the consumer number. Till date, we have more than 5,000 cyber security professionals with us, and half of them are only into R&D. They are doing all the good works to fight against the cyber threats. This is the old data. 2021, the total billing was 758 million, and this year we will cross 1 billion globally. Our next generation solution, our next generation services, serving and safeguarding across the vertical, from consumer to SMB, enterprise, or even industrial facilities. We are safeguarding globally more than 220,000 customers. Apart from corporate or SMB or consumer, we are also working jointly with some of the global IT security community like CERT, Interpol, to fight against any cyber crime. Okay. When we talk about cyber security, we need to consider 3 P's. The first P is product, the technology which we are going to use. The second P is people, those cyber professionals who are going to use this technology. And the third P is processes. How you are working on those products, on those things, on those solutions which you are using. So in Kaspersky, we have segregated our product line into 3 different stages. The first one started from foundation security. So we as a Kaspersky primarily known for endpoint security, but endpoint antivirus is a foundation product for us. On foundation product, we have Kaspersky endpoint security. For server workload, we have Kaspersky hybrid cloud security. On network side, we have internet gateway security, email security. When we come to the optimum security, we have EDR optimum, endpoint detection and response optimum. Then we have threat intel. On the expert side, we have EDR expert. So the people who are using those products, we have some certification, some training programs also with us. And those trainings are starting from threat hunting to reverse engineering to Windows incident response. All the things can be covered under the basket of Kaspersky. You have seen we have a lot to serve to your customer, but I would like to talk few strategic products here which are very less talked about as of now. So these are the endpoint products which we have: antivirus, cyber security. On network side, we have internet gateway, email security, all these things. So these things work as a sensor for our XDR solution. So this is the Kaspersky XDR. Till date, we had only native XDR. Now we are coming up with open XDR also, so we can share the telemetry with third-party tools also. The second product is Threat Intel. There is a lot available on the name of Threat Intel. Someone will give you some bad URLs, some bad domains, some hash values on the name of Threat Intel. But in Kaspersky, we believe that threat intelligence is much more than hash values or bad domains or bad URLs. The threat feeds which you are getting, which is your customer is getting, it should be agile in nature. It should be relevant to your industry. What kind of industry you are working, the data threat feeds which you are getting should be relevant. Let's say you are a manufacturing company and you are getting a threat feeds from the BFSI vertical. There is no use of those feeds. And it is easy to ingest, easy to digest. Easy to digest those cyber security professionals who are working out, and easy to ingest to the tools which are already available in the networks, like your SIEM or SOAR solution. So regularly, we are analyzing more than 700 ATP groups related to any ransomware or any crimeware. This is the best part of Threat Intel with Kaspersky. The other product which I want to talk about is industrial cyber security. Kaspersky as an organization, we are the only privately held company who has in-house CERT team for industrial cyber security. We call it KICS, K-I-C-S, KICS. So under this KICS, we have 3 different products. One is KICS for nodes, which can secure all those products available, right? Your PLC and SCADA kind of products. Then we have KITS for network, which gives all the, and then we have IT/OT gateway. Then another product is security for storage and Kaspersky hybrid cloud security. Hybrid cloud security is basically for your workload, server workload, which can be your on-prem or on cloud. And security storage, any NAS or SAN products you guys having. We have the product, the first P. We have the product, but you can take us to the customer. So this is the right platform why to choose Kaspersky. And this is the wonderful time they have chosen this time to have this event. Profit commitments to channel community from Kaspersky. What all the commitment we have for channel partner like you. So recently, everybody may prayed for a good wealth during the Diwali Lakshmi Pujan, right? From where this wealth comes from, the product which you are selling, right? So we are committed to give you a decent amount of rebates as well as front-end margin. Ease of doing business. There is a easy to use partner portal available with Kaspersky, right? And best in class business support. Support in sense of pre-sales, in terms of post-sales, in terms of train to your pre-sales or post-sales or your sales guys. Why it is easy to work with Kaspersky? A very simple onboarding process. There is a link which you can get. Just put your details and you are the registered partner with Kaspersky. Once you registered with us, you have all the rights to raise the DR. Religiously, we follow all the DRs. And everything, study material, training, certification, everything is available on the partner portal. Let's talk about the partner program. So we have different kind of partnership for you, starting from registered partner to silver, gold and platinum. The more business you will do with Kaspersky, you will automatically upgrade in the system. And what are the advantages from the Kaspersky? Higher the level, you will get more financial stability in terms of rebate, margins, relationship, sales and marketing. We can have joint customer event with you, training and certification. Each and everything is available on the partner portal itself. There is a simple, easy deal registration available on the partner portal itself. We are the most tested and most awarded cyber security company. So in the recent past, we have participated in more than 900 third-party tests. And out of those, 69% test shows that we are the number one. And 85% test result shows that we are in top 3 in the cyber security community. These are few awards which we got. Recently, AB Comparative assigned us into strategic leaderboard back-to-back second year. Thank you. That's it from my side. For any queries, I am available here. So, Madam has asked me to ask one question. Okay. I have discussed about Transparency Center and I talked about when we have started. So, any idea when we started our Transparency Center?